We're looking at a project where we're converting a 4-bedroom property. We've added a bit of extension at the back. We've gone into the loft, but this is the first fixed stages that I'm going to be showing you before all of the action happens. Come and check this out. We're going to be having some pocket doors. This frame is actually for the pocket door. What does that mean? When you do an extension and you have an external wall, it needs foundations, but this house will not need a boiler. This is a room I hate showing. We actually even got a sauna that's going to be in this corner, guys. Let us know what you're thinking of this. What's going on, guys? We're in the heart of Hackney Central, guys. I'm with my favorite builders, Toolbar, and today we're looking at a project where we're converting a 4-bedroom property. We've added a bit of extension at the back. We've gone into the loft, but this is the first fixed stages that I'm going to be showing you before all of the action happens. Come and check this out. So we've got this lovely hallway. As you can see, when we talk about back to brick, this is back to brick, baby. We've created a brand new room right at the front. And this is actually gonna be like a library. We're gonna be having some pocket doors. And if you don't know what that is, that's doors that go inside the walls. We're gonna have bookshelves all around, and you're gonna be so surprised when you see the finished room when it's all decorated. Here we're going to have a lovely media wall. I know it doesn't look like that right now, but we're also going to have a nice little fireplace with it all ducted outwards. Come straight through. Just be careful with the floor, guys. We've put some new beams and rafters down. So now you can see the pantry this side. We've got the utility this side. This frame is actually for the pocket door. What does that mean? Well, you've got space in between here where a door's gonna be coming out. And obviously we're gonna have this all covered with the right material. We've got brand new frames up here. These are the new RSJs. You won't believe it, but we had to do all of this just for this little bit more of an extension. Now, something very interesting is when you do an extension and you have an external wall, it needs foundations. These foundations need to be sitting on something concrete and steady, which stops subsidence on a property. Normally, you only go down 1 meter. We went down 2.8 meters. And guess what? We still didn't find the hard clay. So what we actually had to do is put these screws really deep down, 6 meters down, so then we can have the new weight sitting down on these screws. This allowed us to extend it just a little bit further. So that was a cost that wasn't expected here, and it was previously a landfill site around here, so building inspectors won't pass it until the job is done properly, and we only do it properly. So now you've seen what's happened with the extension. Obviously you can see that this is going to allow a lot of light coming in from outside. Here is going to be a nice little patio. It's going to be the same color as the external bricks, guys, so it'll look all beautiful and formal. And here we have a lovely barbecue. Come on, summer isn't complete without one of them barbecues going on. And over here we've got some pipes, and you're probably thinking, what is that? But this house will not need a boiler. That's correct, no boiler, because this is a heat pump. It uses the air to create that heat to warm this house up, and that's the way the building control is going nowadays, and the UK regulations, where you're not going to need boilers and all of these high energy sucking machines. World's changing. Now here's going to be an office. A lot of people are working from home nowadays, so you're going to be able to use the toilet here. You're going to use the office space here, and it's a nice little addition to the house. If you see from the external part of the house, guys, there's a double loft conversion. We knew we could do this because next door's already done it, and this side has already also done it. This adds on a master suite right at the top that you're going to be gobsmacked when you see. So let's have a little look. Again, another pocket door this side, guys. You can see the frames. Don't you just learn so much on this channel, guys? You know, if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed. Leave me a comment whenever you feel that you want to know a little bit more. I'll try my best to come back to you. So we've got some brand new steps up here. There is actually going to be a little bit of an amendment here, where this post, we've realized, it's quite a small gap. So when you're looking at furniture, it's going to be very difficult to get it around. So we're actually going to be moving this. We've got a bathroom over here, guys. As you can see, we're gonna have a lovely shower system over this side. We've got one of them toilets. Got brand new double glazing going in to make the house more energy efficient, guys. This is a room. I hate showing rooms that look like this because you're probably thinking, what does that look like? But I promise you guys, once this is all skimmed, painted, skirting boards, you're gonna say, I want this room. As you can see, you're probably thinking, what's all these wires hanging down? Well, we've got things like smoke alarms, fire alarm systems. Some of the plasterboard is different color because it's also fire rated, where we have the metal RSJs here so they don't catch any fire. We've also got some of these. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's for all of the air conditioning units that we're gonna have. This house is gonna be fully ventilated with air conditioning units to keep the house warm or cool wherever needed. You're probably thinking, why are there two double sockets right next to each other? Well, this room's already been planned out. We know that the desk space is gonna go on here, and what do you normally have next to a desk? A little lamp, you have your laptop, and you can never have enough plugs when you're doing your work. Again, a lovely big size double bedroom. We've already designed this where we know where the beds are going. And again, behind here, you can see another air conditioning unit, guys. Follow me to the top now for the grand finale. Got another lovely bathroom here, guys, and this is gonna have actually a washing machine over here, a lovely sink here, a lovely mirror that all lights up. You're not gonna believe we actually even got a sauna that's gonna be in this corner, guys. You probably can tell already, why is the plasterboard green? I mean, I'm colorblind, I can still see that. It's all because this is more water resistant. Again, we're gonna have some coverings here to make sure that it's not directly steam on these materials, but having a sauna in your house, come on guys. I've never even seen one of these machines, these bad boys. I feel like a mechanic opening up a new engine. And behind here, we're gonna have a jacuzzi bathroom, guys. That's what I'm talking about. And look at the amount of light that's gonna be let in at the same time. You're gonna wanna live in this room. But this is the room we're actually gonna be in. Hopefully my editor will be able to put something on here to show you all the fitted wardrobes, how this is going to be covered, all this storage area. And as you can see, the bed will also go here. So the bath's not staying here. This is a jacuzzi bathroom that's going to be going into that room. What we're actually going to have is lovely veneer wardrobes going all the way around that hopefully we can show you from all of our design plans. We've got two Velux windows out here, letting in enough light. Another window over here, because lighting is so important when you're in a bedroom, because it makes the room feel even more larger and more air in the room. This is the color we're going for on the outside. Lovely sort of sash window style. Let us know what you think of this, guys. Some of the air conditioning units up here is actually going to go externally, so it's not shown inside, but this window actually opens mechanically, and all it's going to have is a little switch that's going to allow that to open. Rate my build, guys. Let me know what you thought of this build. I mean, in the next 4 to 6 weeks, I'm going to bring out another video showing the completed version, so you're going to be able to see, wow. And if this is in the future, you're seeing this, then already go to the newest video that we've got out so you can see what our quality work is like. Let us know what you're thinking of this. Leave us a comment, smash the like button, and share this with somebody who needs a renovation. Peace.